Good morning from Grand Family Farm. We're returning the Piglet back to his mom. Of course, Harold's gonna throw his fit. Oh, there's one pig tripping up. Hey, my brother's back. Okay, there you are. There's your mama. So, mama, give me some milk. It's been hard. Those people have you in the house. I better feed Harold. He's throwing him to it. All right, Harold. Harold, hang on, dude. Okay, this is better. We got 9 chicken eggs and 2 duck eggs. Good job, girls. Hey, stop that. I just want to see the piglets. You guys be nice. Yeah, I know. You want something special? Come on, you got plenty of hay. Oh, I know, you want something special. Yeah, I'll get you something special. Yeah, you talk too much. Okay. They got these weird beans. It's a treat. They really do like them. The pigs inside. Give them some too. Got a whole crate here donated for the pigs. They sure do enjoy them. The duck eating outside the fence again. Junior likes them. The babies like them. They all move over. All the babies moved to Harold except for one. Yep. Harold's got company again. Oh, they're eating your food, aren't they, Harold? Alright. Girls, lay me some more eggs. You get ran over, dummy. Come on. Go. Well, it's a little nippy out here. Sure is beautiful. The boys were working on their YJs. Not sure where Doc went. Odo had to go to work. He had to work on mine a little bit, get it ready for tomorrow. We're going to go up and get a Christmas tree. Well, my wife's home, so we're going to go do something or visit or something since she's not working, and eat some more of that Thanksgiving dinner. I hope your start of your weekend as good as ours. Thank you very much for watching.